Four-wheeler honors. FCA ramps up LED. Ram kicks off Detroit. All right now on FCA Replay. It's an off-road legend making history yet again. The 2019 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon has been named Four-Wheeler 2019 SUV of the Year. Testing for the honor was extensive and covered more than 1,000 miles of mixed terrain and elevations. Tim Kaniskis, head of Jeep brand for North America, said, "We are thrilled the four-wheeler editors have honored the pillar of our brand with this important award." Four-wheeler group content director Sean Holman described the award as one of those rare instances where a company got something so right you can have your cake and eat it too. And say hello to Four-Wheeler's choice for pickup truck of the year, the 2019 Ram 1500 Rebel. The off-road enthusiast publication praised the Ram 1500 Rebel's very competitive off-road package that leaves little to be desired, along with its benchmark interior, supple ride, and incredible technology. Reed Bigland, head of Ram brand, added, "This award recognizes Rebel's combination of capability, design, and durability." FCA rang in the new year on another bright note, installing intelligent LED lighting systems at the Jefferson North Assembly and Warren stamping plants. The advanced LED systems enable sensors to talk with each other via a wireless network to help drive down energy costs and boost productivity in workspaces. The company has now retrofitted more than half its manufacturing facilities, 2 Mopar parts distribution centers, and 87 dealerships with more than 35,000 LED fixtures. Last year, the Ram 1500 turned heads at the North American International Auto Show, while the Jeep Gladiator was the showstopper reveal in Los Angeles. So what's FCA up to for the 2019 North American International Auto Show? Monday, January 14th, the Ram brand kicks off Media Days by rolling out some big news. Join us for the live reveal action from the FCA stage at 9:10 a.m. Eastern Time. And check out FCA's many other show offerings on our social media channels. North American International Auto Show Public Days are January 19th through the 27th. And that's a roundup of what's happening this week at FCA. Reporting for FCA Digital Media, I'm Betty Carrier Newman.